Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about really easy Halloween cards. Hello, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. Welcome back to my channel. Today I want to show you guys a really cool, really fun and easy Halloween card that you can give to nieces and nephews, your kids, some of your neighbors, anything like that. It's a really simple card. It has a gift card holder on the back. Let me show you what it looks like. It says trick or treat on the front. And then on the back, there's a gift card holder here, and it says, buy yourself something sweet to eat, no feet smelling required. Happy Halloween. Isn't that cute? It's a really simple card. You can make it in less than a half hour, maybe quicker than that, especially if you've made these kind of cards that I've designed before. I'll link some of them above. So let's head over to my blog. I'll show you how to get the file. Then we'll move over to Design Space. We have a few things to tweak as far as score lines, and then we'll get started making it. Okay, we're here at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head over to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access, you can click Get Access, and you'll be emailed a password to the library. For now, we're going to click Enter the Library. Once you type in the password, you'll be taken to the Files, and you need to look for the trick or treat card. Click that hyperlink, download it to your computer, and then you are ready to open up Design Space. Okay, we're in a new project in Design Space. We're going to head to Upload, then Upload Image, and Browse. We're going to find where we saved the download onto our computer and hit Open, and click Save. Highlight that image and click Insert Image. It's going to bring it into our canvas. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit. First things first, we need to head up and click Ungroup and scroll down the Layers panel to the very bottom, and you're going to find the cut line for the envelope. Change that to Score. Highlight the entire group and hit Attach. Move that out of the way. Next is the text. Change that to Draw. This is on the other side of the card. Highlight that group and hit Attach. Alright, move that out of the way. And now for the gift card holder. First we're going to change the text from Cut to Draw. Change the line type to Draw. And now all three of these cut lines need to be changed to score lines. Change that to Score. Highlight the group and hit Attach. Move that over. Alright, this is for our print and cut image. We can go ahead and grab that now. Go to Upload and Upload Image, Browse, and in the same download folder, you're going to find a file that says Trick or Treat Card PTC for Print Then Cut. Click Complex. I always choose Complex when I do print and cut images. You can zoom out so you can see the full image. And hit Continue. You want to make sure that you have the Print and Cut option highlighted. You'll see a green box around it, and then hit Save. Highlight that image and hit Insert Image. Alright, move that out a little bit. Now I'm going to click the Unlock button, and we want it to fit a 5x7. It's going to come into your canvas a little bit larger, so you want to go up and change the dimensions to 5 inches wide by 7 inches tall. Alright, I'm going to zoom back in. Now you want to bring the print and cut image over that empty or that plain white box. Highlight both of them and then go to the Align tab. I always like to do this, center horizontally and center vertically. Now that both are highlighted, you can head down and hit the Flatten button on the Layers panel. That now turns the entire thing into a print and cut image. Now you can head up to Make It, and you'll see the black bars around indicating that this is our print and cut image. Hit Continue, hit Send to Printer. You're going to want to make sure that the Add Bleed is selected and click Print. And then for your other material, you'll select medium cardstock, and then we can get to cutting. For this project, we're going to need the green standard grip cutting mat and our cardstock and our colors, the print and cut image, the scoring tool, Cricut pen, Cricut scraper, your adhesive, and the Cricut brayer. I'm going to go ahead and get started cutting, drawing, and scoring. I'm going to speed this part of the video up so you don't have to sit there and watch the whole thing. Alright, now that everything is cut out, we're going to start with the envelope. Go ahead and fold along all of the score lines. And take our Cricut scraper, and we're going to just press the lines to make sure that we have a nice clean, crisp fold. And now take our adhesive and add some adhesive to the two side flaps. And give it a good press. Alright, that's done. Now let's move on to the gift card. Fold along the score lines. I just realized I said gift card, I meant gift card holder. Give that a good press with the scraper. And then take our adhesive and apply that to both of the inside tabs. Right here and right here is where you add the glue. Press that, and that's done. Now we can take the outside and the inside layers of the card, flip them over, and add your adhesive to one of the two sides. And stick them together. Line up the edges, of course. And give it a good press. There we go. Now let's take our gift card holder, add some adhesive to the back, and position that wherever you want. And that is it. The card is all done. Just slip some money in there or the gift card and you're ready to go. Easy peasy. How simple was that? It really did not take that long, did it? And it didn't take that long to cut either. I think this is a really, really fun card to give, like I said, to your nieces and nephews, your kids, your grandkids. I think that anyone would really, really like this. Hell, I probably would as an adult too. This is a lot less calories. Yeah. If you guys like this video, make sure that you hit like and subscribe to my channel. That way you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have a lot of other tutorials there. Make sure that you check it out. Until next time, guys, I hope everyone has a happy and safe Halloween. Enjoy trick-or-treating if your area is doing the trick-or-treating. If not, make sure that you stay safe no matter what you do. I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife, guys. I will see you later. Bye.